See, let them not talk to. They don't talk in the parliament, they don't talk in the assembly, they don't talk outside. So what's the point of answering to that kind of question? It's my right, even if I don't fight election. As a citizen, it is my right to express my concern. As a citizen, if you don't express concern for your fellow being, you are not even a normal human being. If you look at, even if you look at political history of humanity, we are human beings precisely because we show concern about others, right? And then these legislators are supposed to do it on the floor of the houses. So I have heard a lot of these things. It's simply because I voice it. They speak in the parliament also. I speak outside as a non-member of the parliament. I'll be speaking the same thing. It makes no sense. You know, you should know this. Ako Manipur am hainam ne khadang thada ba microphone da lai bakling mai na amti yeng sine si de vole pakpani khang de vole the man je assembly de microphone de lok tho ga wangang ba yaw bu moi ba khadang thada de ba kana ke ba mon bratai nam lei bne koi ge hindu ge de yoga tumina lei ba moi ge ingit na ga smai tol ngang na bra ba moi assembly pham ga oi roi de bo wa ni ke su kan da matam rhetorical we do rhetorical statement ne ko apang ba gya ta da mi ni ga khan ba ne praja se miam wen khang bo wa ne ba du gum ba. You know, there is one sacred duty of all the elected members in any parliamentary form of government, or for that matter, whenever you have a legislature, is called legislative oversight function. What goes wrong in the law or in the functioning of the executive, we are supposed to monitor it, and that's what we call it, legislative oversight. Moigi, ako'y mihut ay nakhalib singge. Ako'y na-decide kung man sing ba, dagi migi, da wheelchair pisan ba, ana ba da mating pang dina. Do the inducement ko. Mi de yu pita aga pisa pisa ga induce ko do. Mo'y gi masay ben ibit fang ba. Do ko man ba. Mo'y ga sing mamataw di, laingang na tawri ba se fatan na tabog mataw pang tuy pra pang tuk ta bra. Adugi do ne ba ko na legislative oversight ay siya. Sige functions ne ba. Amana law making process am lay na ko. Sige two major ne mo'y basic pillar of their duty ne ba. Adugi do ngangat trabay said they have absolutely failed to perform their mandated duty as a legislator. They are supposed to express concern and question the functioning of the government. No country in the world will allow this kind of a lawlessness and me. Adusu foreign invasion got over not over. Adusu foreign invasion to Yao, there. Me on the confusion Mia mitam sing mayu makele ta wara lerga amuna santi lady amu hai amuna wa amungang yedo take all even basic things are mihut ki magi maru ba mathau ani lei amana chana pathap semba amana lenga kom sung chatna pathap yam chining thina pangthu ibrahim yengzin basa. That's first part is called lawmaking duty, second part is called legislative oversight. Legislative oversight function by floor of the house the ngang by say asuk tina so the machin ba mat silent ngang they are not questioning the functioning of the state, my government say they are functioning or not, so they have failed absolutely to perform. Adu cover up tawna ba ne moina ako side rhetorical is wa da ngang ga leiba kai se moina wa ngang ta du gi wa ngang mi de sida rei ne ba je mayam ta honi matanga mayam na ID microphone season never meeting the Mogi meeting head check or from the microphone yaw the wrong thing microphone ek naam ta hai bi over khadang khadari kai no microphone da lebang ning kai no ga hai no ha to ko ne tu adu oi de bo wa do me am the rhetorical has ne adu ma moy mi adu manga so amarom da I feel really sad when asuk zakal level like so herbal am sa dum bagi wangang sangang ko do. It's absolutely avoidable, especially for a member of a legislative assembly. Adu minangang hom thokten khal ai gim matung